In this video, we're going to tell you all the things that you need to build a strong personal brand and a massive audience to go with it.
Plus, keep watching till the very end because we are giving away a free signed copy of Chris Ducker's brand new book. Oh yeah.
The world is getting more and more noisy. Competition is at an all-time high. And the choice of who to buy from is becoming increasingly harder. But the brand that's always going to win is the brand that's most trusted.
And that's why personal branding is so important, because it is much easier to trust a face than a faceless corporation. And for smaller companies, solopreneurs especially, this is often the biggest competitive advantage that you can have over bigger, larger companies.
Personal branding allows you to establish a reputation and an identity, whilst maintaining a personal level of trust and interaction.
We've been researching all the top personal brands out there who have huge audiences, and they all do the same things.
Which are, Andrew?
First of all, we want you to see personal branding like an onion.
They stink?
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry?
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No. Layers. Onions have layers.
And personal brands have layers too, with the aim of each layer to build a bit more trust. In the center, of course, it's all about you. Who are you? What do you stand for? And who are you trying to help? What stories can you share from your own personal experience? And why are you different or better at helping these people?
The goal here is to come up with your own personal brand statement, which is basically just 1 or 2 sentences answering what are you best at?
What value do you bring?
Who do you serve?
Who is your audience?
And how do you do it uniquely?
What is your USP? There is not a single person on this planet or an alien that is exactly the same as you, so your personal brand needs to be unique too. If it's not different to your competitors, then you will be facing an uphill battle from the get-go. What can people trust you for? Watch this video on working out your brand values.
The next layer of the onion is all about imagery. Things like your logo, your font choice, your color palette, your photography, your design style, all the sexy creative stuff. And all of the stuff that should also represent your brand statement too.
Following that layer is social proof. People need proof that you are good at what you say you are. Do you have an engaged audience? What about testimonials or qualifications or credentials or publications you've been featured in? It's all good social proof. And again, it's building that trust.
And then we have the content layer, my favorite. And of course, creating content around your expertise is a surefire way to build that expertise, build your audience, and build your brand. But you need to be consistent at this, okay? Because it's the consistency that's key to the trust.
But, again, a double but.
I like double butts and I cannot lie.
This needs to reflect your core brand values too, because you don't want your content just sounding like everyone else's. Average, samey content will get you nowhere. If you're just creating content that is the same as everyone else's, you will be forever in their shadow. Watch this video on creating content that doesn't suck.
And on the final outer layer of our little onion here, we have our products and services, okay, our offering. What are you going to offer to your audience to solve their biggest problems? Is it done for you services? Is it membership sites? Is it books? Is it courses? Is it speaking? Is it training? Or is it even just affiliate links? The beauty of having a personal brand is that you can make money in lots of different ways. And once you've built that audience and you've got that trust, there's lots of scalable business models that you can take on board too.
Okay guys, that's it for now. What did you think? Did you like our onion model?
If you really want to get more advice on this, you should check out this book, Rise of the Youpreneur by Mr. Chris Ducker, which is a step-by-step process of how to build the brand of you.
Chris Ducker is an absolute pro at this. We have learned so much from him on our own Youpreneur journey. And very kindly, Mr. Personal Branding himself has given us a signed copy to give away to one of you lovely lot.
So if you want to get your hands on this awesome book, a signed copy of this book, all you have to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channel, Chris's YouTube channel, and answer the simple following question. What have we blanked out from the following clip of Chris Ducker on the Andrew and Pete show?
I have actually myself as well, just so you know.
A. Spilt. B. Drooled. Or C. Tripped on a banana skin and spilt my very hot cup of British tea. Drop your answers in the comments on this video and we will be picking a winner at random.
Pretty sure it's C.
Thanks for watching. I have been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
See you next time.
Tally hair.